This video is for Knowledge Organiser 7 for Year 8 Theta classes, shown on the paper below. What I would like you to do is read the first page of your Knowledge Organiser, work through the examples with me in this video, and then try the questions from paper 2. Complete any maths watchwork set then by your class teacher. So what we're going to look at today is we're going to look at working out percentages of amounts, but using your calculator this time. You can use the previous method we used, but it's important that you also learn to use another method where we would use a multiplier. Now that multiplier is basically the decimal version of our percentage. So to work out our multiplier, what we do is we turn 87% into a decimal. So we do that by dividing it by 100. That gives us 0.87. This here is our multiplier. It's called a multiplier because if we multiply our amount by this, it gives us our solution straight away. So that's our first step, turn our percentage into a decimal. We then do 0.87, we multiply it by 2.8, and what comes out is 2.436. That's all we need to do to work out our percentage of an amount using a calculator. I'll go through another example like this. So in this question, it says 23% of 56. So again, you want to take this and turn it into a decimal because that will be our multiplier. So we do 23 divided by 100. Again, we divide it by 100 because a percentage is out of 100. That gives us our decimal value of 0.23. Again, this is called our multiplier. I'm reinforcing this fact because later on in future years you're going to need to use your multiplier in more complex calculations. So we take our multiplier 0.23 and we multiply it by the amount that we're trying to find 23% of, and we get, when we do that, £12.88. Again, if you put that value into your calculator, 12.88 comes out, so you don't need to do anything else extra than that. It just takes 2 steps to solve these problems. I would like you to complete the questions on the second side of your Knowledge Organiser and then any work set on Maths Watch by your class teacher. Thank you.